Good morning everyone. Today we are in the chemistry lab to see if the sugar samples are adulterated or not.
When we enter the chemistry lab, we should follow some safety measures.
As you can see, you have to wear the safety goggles and the coat. So first, take the wash bottle and pour the water into the beaker. After pouring, use a spatula to transfer the sugar into the beaker. And stir it with a glass rod. As you can see, the sugar is dissolved.
First, pour water into the beaker from the wash bottle. Then, using a spatula, transfer the sugar into the beaker. Then mix it with the glass rod.
So here, as you can see, the sugar has dissolved. But whereas here, the sugar has dissolved, but the white particles are still left. And that means it's adulterated. Here the sugar has dissolved. It means it's not adulterated.
Whereas this one, the sugar has dissolved too, but there are white particles left.
Good morning. Today we will be checking adulterants in this sample tea powder. First, we will take a test tube and using a wash bottle, pour some water in the test tube. We will now transfer the tea powder using a spatula in the test tube. We will close the lid and shake. As you can see, there is a slightly orangish color over here, and this means that this tea powder is adulterated. This can also be when the tea powder is on the blotting paper, it stains yellowish. That means it is adulterated. Pure tea leaves only leave color when added with boiling water.
Good morning friends. We are going to test the food substance whether it is adulterated. So first, we have these chili powder samples here, 2 samples, A and B. Take the beaker, pour the water, take the chili powder. You keep the chili powder inside the beaker.
Just take the beaker, then pour water inside. With the spatula, you take 1 spoon of chili powder, put it in the beaker.
Sample A is lighter and sample B is darker. This is the one which is non-adulterated. This is the one which is adulterated.
Good morning. Today we are going to tell if the turmeric powder is adulterated or not. We are going to use hydrochloric acid, so be very careful as it is corrosive for your skin. It eats up your skin. First, we take a beaker. Using a spatula, we add turmeric powder in it. Then, using a dropper, we add the hydrochloric acid. Then, using a glass rod, stir the mixture. As you see, there is no fizz, so the turmeric powder is pure. If there is fizz like the Coke bottle, that means it is adulterated.
Good morning. Today we are in the chemistry lab to test if these milk samples are adulterated.
We are going to take a test tube and pour some milk in the test tube.
Mix it. Now we are going to pour a few drops of iodine. My milk is pale yellow, which means it is pure milk.
My milk is bluish black, which means it is adulterated with starch.
Thank you and hope you like the experiments.